Hey, what's up guys? This is Gorilla Bear Tech back at you again with another review of, this time, a drone. Now this is called the Parrot AR Drone 2.0 and it's the Elite Edition. Jungle is the color, or I should say the color scheme. It is operated by a tablet or an iPhone, Apple or Android device that is. Whether it's a tablet or a phone, it only operates on a tablet or a phone. You can't use an actual controller for it. But this thing is fascinating, guys. This is a $299 drone, so $300 plus tax. You can get it at Fry's Electronics right now for 150 bucks. Unbelievable. And this is basically the drone. Let me open it up. Excuse me for the dogs once again. They can be loud at times, so bear with me. Now, folks, this is the Parrot AR Drone 2.0. This drone is a $300 to $350 drone. When it first came out, that's how much it cost, and it still costs that much right now. And of course, what you get with it is included an instruction manual, some stickers to play some extra games that you can download on your tablet or phone. You don't get extra propellers, but you do get some really good build quality on this drone. It's excellent build quality. You do get a charger and you get one LiPo battery. The LiPo battery, of course, is a 1000 milliamp, and it's a 3-cell. And you also get 3 different wall adapters. 2 of them are, I believe, from Europe. I'm not quite sure, guys, but 2 of them, I believe, are from the Europe, UK region, and one of them is just a standard American plug. But yeah, this is basically the drone right here. And you do come with 2 shells. You do come with an outdoor hull, and you also come with this. They call this an indoor hull, which are both nice. But of course, the Parrot branding right there. Nice styrofoam, but very durable. This thing flies like a champ, guys. AR Drone 2.0. And it's equipped with brushless motors, so you can't really complain. You get brushless motors and all of this for 150 bucks on a special price. Now, it is kind of hard to take this off with one hand, but if you want, guys, you can just check out some pictures online of it without the body, or you can go to parrot.com and check it out for yourselves. Once again, guys, this was a review of the Parrot AR Drone 2.0. Comment, like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. Anything will be greatly appreciated, guys. Shout out to Tecmo, Flossie Carter, and the rest of my fellow YouTubers. You guys have a great day. See you in the next review.